All right, we're living in a strange time right now where it seems like the entire world is inside, especially at the turn of the seasons. It's going from winter to spring when the sun starts coming out. You want to be outside, you want to get that natural vitamin D3 production, but unfortunately a lot of us aren't able to at the moment. So I wanted to share UMZU vitamin D3 supplement with you. It's suspended in organic coconut oil, highly absorbable. And this is actually a 3-month supply, a full 90-day supply. It's only $11.95, super affordable. Very easy. We have fast shipping. We're sanitizing our warehouse. Everything is very clean, and we're still getting all our orders out on time. So if you want to check out some D3, it's not only good for keeping your mood high, keeping you feeling really good, even in the absence of sunlight, but it's incredible for your immune system. Your immune system is very compromised when you don't have enough D3, so you want to make sure that you get enough D3 in a highly absorbable format. It's very easy to use. This comes in a liquid dropper, like I said, suspended in coconut oil. All you do is you're going to want to take the dropper, put it under your tongue, let it sit there for a minute, and then it goes down quick, nice and easy, clean taste. So if you want to learn more about it, check it out. Click the link around this video. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.